Why is being focused so important in today's world? What are the results you get when you are focused? Does it make you less stressed? Does it make you happier? If it's so important, why don't people focus more? Being an entrepreneur, I do not have the luxury of an 8-hour or 16-hour work schedule. It is like I am at work all the time, even when asleep. Yes, I mean it. My mind is constantly at work, absorbing the things around me, filtering thoughts, constantly correlating things with my needs, planning, visualizing, and so on. But then, every person knows that it would be a huge lie if I tell you that entrepreneurs do not get any rest at all. What every successful entrepreneur will agree is that the moment they decide to sit on a specific activity or a problem or something creative, they set a time frame first, and then they ensure that they are never ever disturbed during that specific time frame. Which is also why you see many successful people working late into the night when the whole world sleeps and they can afford to silence or switch off their mobile phones. Being a filmmaker, I involve myself in a lot of scripting activity and then a lot of planning too. They have to be accurate in every aspect, else I lose money on the field. So what I do is this. Let's say I have a short script to do, maybe a portion of it that has been troubling me for some time, if not the full script. I decide when I want to work on it and then shut myself up in a room. No disturbances permitted. Maybe for an hour, deeply focused. And believe me, the resultant product has always been a winner. Once that work is done, I let myself go. I could walk around office, joking with others who have taken a break, or sit down for my daily dose of learning on WhatsApp University, with a cup of coffee, of course. Being focused on one specific thing or activity for a certain period allows you to do better quality work. More work gets done in lesser time and your creative ideas flow easily. Being focused on one task at a time is less stressful on your mind, and being less stressed allows you to be happier. Being focused means that you have clear goals and objectives. Being focused in the present moment means that you are solely focused on the one activity that you are trying to complete. Everything else is unimportant. So you shut out all distractions and give your full undivided attention to the task at hand. Trust me, this focus will change your life. But being focused is easier said than done. Everywhere we look, there are distractions, technology, things to look at, things to read, things to touch. Studies have shown that people switch activities every 3 minutes due to their external distractions. Distractions are not only frustrating, they can be energy zapping and downright exhausting. By the time you get back to where you were, your ability to stay focused goes down even further. In fact, less energy means less capacity to understand, decide, recall, memorize, and inhibit. Being able to focus and be productive is so important for our brain functioning and our confidence. Let me give you 3 benefits. Being focused will change your life. Benefit 1, you will improve your memory. When we lose focus during the day, we lose the opportunity to lock in those experiences as memories. Once we are tuned into the world around us, our experiences can be used as building blocks for our lives. And our memories help teach us how we can use those blocks to build our future. There is a famous quote, "Those who do not remember the past are doomed to repeat it." So benefit 2, you will be more aware. Along with building stronger, longer lasting memories, focus will help to heighten self-awareness. When we are focused, we are truly in the moment. And once that happens, you become more in tune with yourself. How you feel, what you think, the emotions you have, and how you respond to the things going on around you. As you become more aware, it's much easier to predict how your body will react to certain stresses, or how your heart will beat or will jump from romantic gestures, so that you can rein in your reactions and get the most of every situation. Benefit 3. You will become less self-critical. Once your memory and self-awareness have grown, it becomes more and more difficult to self-criticize. Your brain will instead learn from your experiences to help mold future ones rather than dwelling on the past. As we learn from ourselves, we begin to open more paths of self-appreciation and understanding. The less time we spend on self-criticism, the more time we have for growth and development. We need to understand the difficulties of being focused before trying to address the issues. It's difficult for most people to remain focused on one task for a variety of reasons. For one, we live in a world where we are constantly bombarded with TV, radio, cell phones, internet, social media, as well as a much larger population that live closer together than ever before. Also, the modern economy is almost entirely dependent on consumerism. Governments, companies, and credit institutions need to keep us spending so that they can keep raising money through taxes, sales, and lending. This means that there are more and more disruptive ways to push advertising and marketing messages in front of us. Like emails, text messages, pop-ups, notifications, phone calls, billboards, neon signs. The list is endless. It's long. It's so difficult today to even go for a quiet stroll or sit quietly in a park without having something advertised to us. With so many people trying to get our attention, it is more and more important that we learn to shut it all out and get focused. It's difficult, I know, but it has to be done. One way is to go to a room where you can shut your door and turn off your phone. Remember that the benefits are endless. You will gradually discover a new you if you try to remain focused one work at a time. So thanks. This is the end of this video. I'll catch up with you on another video on this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please feel free to comment. Please feel free to share the videos with your circles. Thank you, thank you, thank you.